Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to transform this photography to become this one. And as you can see on the right side will be the photo transformation of Michael Jackson, who is standing on the gigantic phone that is playing the certain song of him. How to create this photo transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here is Google AI Studio. Then don't forget to do the login first with your email, and after that I will go to this Try Gemini 3 and go to the image and nano banana until it is activated. And after that I will start to select the picture from my gallery. For example, I will choose this one and click open, and after that I will start to put the prompt into this section. And you can also copy this prompt from our description box. Basically the prompt gonna be like this: transform this photo into the realistic surreal digital artwork, and also the person is standing on a giant smartphone screen showing the music player interface, for example the Spotify, and also keep the original outfit and pose from the photo, and also use the clean futuristic lighting with a soft studio background with the light gray or gradient tones, or following the previous background, and also add the subtle glow reflection effect on the phone screen to create the modern cinematic atmosphere, and also maintain the realistic detail, natural shadow, and also high-end photo quality. And also you can start to add the angle of the look of this person. For example, the man should be looking at the viewer with a slight smile, as if he is the content that being played, and also the background should be clean and also have the minimalist studio setting. And also you can add the detail, for example like this, that this person standing confidently on the gigantic phone like this. And after that you can continue to click run, and kindly wait for the output down here guys. Basically you will also have the possibility to get a little bit different look by using this same prompt. However, it's still gonna be still in one theme or the purpose or the picture that you would like to produce. And this will be the another result. And after that you can start to download it, and it will be ready to post into your social media. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.